Nanababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. Today's vlog, we were invited for the grand opening of Majib Restaurant. So it's the newest Korean restaurant located dito sa Angeles City, Barangay Cutcut, Angeles City. So if you are interested to know more about this restaurant, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find
Matjib Restaurant!
Alright, so welcome to Matjib Restaurant. This is one of the newest restaurant po dito sa along Friendship Highway, Barangay Cutcut, Angeles City, and we were invited to be part of their opening day. So congratulations, Matjib. And for those of you guys who are interested to go here, so this is the place. Ayan, if you notice, no, so meron tayong alfresco section, which this is the open air grilling, and then meron din tayong mga VIP rooms. Yeah, we're gonna go inside because our table is actually there and it's ready.
right. Cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned. Trying to find
What's up? Annyeonghaseyo. So once again, we would like to thank you guys for being with us in this video. Again, congratulations, Majib Restaurant, for grand opening.
On our table, so makikita nyo naman sa mesa natin, so full pack na
Sobrang
naman.
dami na naman, guys. Anyway, so we're gonna mention the names first so that meron tayong identification sa kanila. If they are looking for a certain
Food.
dish,
Yes.
food, something like that. So,
So meron tayong Joe Calvi, which is yun yung braised back ribs. So meron din tayong yung tinatawag ng machan, which is yun yung bituka ng baboy.
yeah, this
So, in Filipino, ito yung tinatawag na ng isaw. Hindi mawawala yung sanggipsal. Ayan, yung sa pork belly.
Mark, yung pork belly nila dito is thick.
Yes.
No? So this is not the usual parang bacon style na samgyeopsal. Thick yung mga ano nila dito, meat.
So, meron din tayo dito yung daktorita, which is yung spicy braised chicken. So, ito ito yung nasa gitna. Ayan. Siyempre, meron tayo dito yung mga soups. Yung meron tayong kimchi jjigae, meron tayong daejang jjigae, and yung sundobu. Ayan.
No, so meron tayong mga kimbap dito. So they have a tuna, meron tayong chungnu. So you have your rice cake, you have squid, meron din tayong radish. So this is not the usual na custom tayo na kimbap na parang naka-roll in everything. So
At the same time, meron din tayong mga dito yung mga other dishes nila, like yung tteokbokki, which is yung stir-fried rice cake, bibimbap.
grabe, ang laki ng serving.
Yes.
Super duper. So
Ito yung parang bago sa akin yung julmyeon. Ito yung spicy chewy noodles. Same time, meron din tayong mga ano dito, yung mga pizza nila sa Korea. It's
Korean pizza.
kimchi jeon, which is yun yung kimchi pancake. And jeokbap, which is yun yung spicy stir-fry pork.
So meron tayong
Sige.
ojing game, which is the deep fried squid. And if you notice, guys, on our table as well, so meron din tayong mga refreshments. So you have your smoothies, meron tayong mga
Fraps.
coffee-based frap, as well as mga fruit juices, which are grabe. Later on, we're gonna taste them as well, diba?
if you want it. Enjoy the ride. Cause those ups and those downs.
A while ago, so nagka-mini tour tayo dito. And we've seen na meron silang mga private rooms.
Yes, so meron kang mga private rooms, so you could have their conference or even your private gathering.
Private gathering siguro up until 10 persons, pwedeng mag-dine doon actually. Alright, so of course, what we always say, the best
Tasting.
part of the vlog is the food tasting. This is it, guys.
You will make it in.
Una kong titikman yung kanilang daktorita kasi ito yung una kong naamoy kanina pa. Ayan. So, kuha lang tayo. Okay.
Your world. I feel like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved.
Ito yung parang version ng caldereta natin. Yun.
I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow.
Alright, so ito naman yung kanilang jok kalbi. This is a braised back ribs. We have some dips here. Yan. Medyo spicy this one. So I think for me this one is great for, you know, family sharing.
Tingnan naman natin yung kanilang kimchi john, which is yung kanilang kimchi pancake or parang pizza sa kanila. So para siyang kimchi na ginawang pancake na. Literally. Yan. So actually, ang sarap niya.
What makes it worth the while?
Alright, so another dish that you really need to try dito sa newest restaurant na they opened is the Julmyeon. So this is the spicy chewy noodles.
Either right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth.
There you have it. Thank you. Thank you. So with the assistance of our owner, guys, he was kind enough to, you know, prepare it for us. So sabi niya sa atin, start with the egg.
Time. What makes it worth the while?
And now for the fun part. Wow. A little bit spicy, sweet and sour, called noodles. Very fresh ingredients, no? So you have some bean sprouts, cucumber, cabbage, carrots, and apple. So it's a mix of different tastes.
I feel like I was never heard.
So ganito kabait yung mga owner dito.
Yes.
So talagang tutulong ka nila kung paano talaga yung proper way of mixing yung food nila.
Right, I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say.
So syempre after mixing the bibimbap, syempre tikman naman natin. Ang kagandahan dito is yung mga ingredients nila are fresh.
Yep.
At the same time, napakalasa ng yung mga sauces nila.
Okay, so this is their makjang. So the way you prepare it is similar to samgyeopsal. And this time, these are intestine. Wow. Yan, so since gusto ko ng malasa, I'm gonna put in a generous amount. Ayan, let's put it here. Plus, check out the sauce. Grabe, sa tingin pa lang talagang maaanghangan ka na. More sauce. I want more sauce. So, an exotic food available dito sa Matjib. If you're looking for this one, this is available here. Okay, so this is the kimchi jjigae. So the way you prepare it is, of course, this was really, steaming hot earlier, no? And then prepare a little bit of rice. Since marami tayong titikman dito, medyo konti lang yung rice na i-prepare natin. Then again, right after that, you put in your kimchi jjigae just like that. Ayan na. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung japchae dyan, the Korean. This is the famous pancit ng mga Koreano. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. And voila, this is the perfect match. One big spoon. Again, it's a little bit spicy, sour, and sweet. I think yun yung pinaka-base na lasa ng mga Korean food, no? Last one.
So, tikman naman natin yung kanilang sundobo, which is yung kanilang tough bean corn stew. So, meron siyang tofu. At the same time, yung lasa ng bean. Sarap.
Alright, so finally for a dessert, a refreshing fruity dessert, these foods are also available here. Check them out guys, they are so appetizing. Tikman na natin.
Makes it worth the while.
Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for being with us in this video. Again, thank you so much Matjib for inviting us. Also, congratulations on your grand opening. No? So yung mga pupunta po dito, you are actually assured that your safety is also their priority. So
So if you're looking for the newest Korean restaurant here in Angeles City,
yes.
you could visit Majib, located at Friendship Highway, Barangay Cutcut, Angeles City. So they were open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. So mahaba yung dining time nyo.
Yes. Again guys, if you're looking for an authentic Korean dishes where you can enjoy the ambience as well as the food, make sure to check out Matjib Restaurant. So thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.
You were made